channel. My name is Natalie and I'm so excited to film this video today because we're filming a collab. Isn't that super exciting? I'm gonna come down. Me and Emily Neith, this is her Instagram and this is her YouTube channel, decided to film a collab. Emily is such an amazing influencer. She does amazing vegan content on her Instagram and then amazing like fashion, sustainable related content on her YouTube channel, so make sure to check her out. But basically, as you can probably already tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be filming 10 back to school outfit ideas for that time that you feel like you have nothing to wear kind of situation, you know? And Emily's going to be doing another 10 back to school outfit ideas, so definitely make sure to check her video out. It's going to be linked in the bio, and she also left a little message for you, so there you go. Hello, I'm Emily. You can find me at Emily Neith or Emily's Vegan Diary on Instagram. Yeah, and the other part of this collab, after you've watched this video, head over to my channel to watch my uni outfits. They kind of range in effort level and situation. So yeah, I hope to see you there and enjoy Natalie's video as well. As I said, she's super sweet, but yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the first outfit. For this first outfit, I'm wearing this beautiful sweater dress. I know not everybody has a sweater dress. Also, they're kind of hard to find in thrift stores. I get that people don't want to purchase them in stores because, you know, you can kind of wear them only during one season out of the year, which is fall. However, this dress is not supposed to be a dress. This is actually a sweater that I found in my mom's closet actually, so it's not even thrifted. So basically, my idea of this is that you can just go to a thrift store, find a sweater which is kind of oversized, and then you can just find a sweater which, you know, fits to your desired length, and then you can either belt it or just leave it as it is, as I'm wearing it, and yeah, pair it with some cute tights, some cute boots, and there you go. And just to make it a little bit more wearable for fall, I'm gonna be pairing it with this trench coat which I thrifted, and that's it. Let's move on to the next outfit. Alrighty, so this is the next outfit. The thing that I wanted to show with this outfit is that fall is amazing for those times where you feel like you have nothing to wear, because you can basically hide your outfit under a giant coat and nobody will actually like see what you're actually wearing. So the thing that I'm doing here is that I paired just like a very simple monochrome outfit. Obviously all white is not for everybody. You can obviously do like all black. That's more easier. I'm just, you know, I like to be a little more extra, so I'm wearing all white. I put over it this like giant oversized purple trench coat, which I think makes the outfit 10 times more fun. Also, thrift stores are packed with like funky coats, so yeah, if you have nothing to wear, make sure to check your local thrift shop, go through the jacket section, pick out some like crazy funky ones, then you can like hide under those coats and seem like, you know, that you are super trendy and know what you're doing with your outfit. And nobody really knows that like under it you have just like a super basic outfit, you know? Let's move on to the next one. I love this outfit. I know it doesn't look like it, but this outfit is super easy to recreate. I'm basically just wearing a white shirt. If you don't have a white shirt, it's easily thriftable. If not in the women's section, there's definitely gonna be one in the men's section or the little boy section. Then I'm just pairing it with my white tennis skirt, but you can definitely pair it with like any other skirt you have. And then it wouldn't be a back to school fall outfit inspo without a sweater vest. I actually found this sweater vest in my mom's closet, and when I saw this I was like, ah! So yeah, I quickly stole it from her and I basically just put it over the shirt, and that is the outfit. Again, I paired it with my knee-high boots, but I know that not everybody has those, so black dogs or any type of boots that you have are gonna be perfect. Again, pairing it with my school bag, and then basically any coat you want. So yeah, that is the next outfit. Alrighty, so this is the next outfit. I know it's very oversized. However, if you haven't seen my full trends video, this is the link for it. Make sure to watch it after this video. In that video, one of the trends that I'm talking about is that for this fall, it's super trendy to wear everything super oversized. So this is basically me doing that. I'm basically just wearing my wide-legged brown pants. If you don't have brown jeans, you can obviously wear your normal blue jeans. And then I paired it with this like dark green. Sort of looks like a pullover, like it zips up, but it's not. Like, see, it's like a jacket material. So yeah, I just put this like oversized jacket on top of it, which I think with the pants just make the oversized effect. I know the oversized look is not for everybody. I'm usually the one who prefers to wear like tight fitting clothes. So if you're anything like me, I have the next outfit option for you. I mean, I don't think I even have to say anything to this outfit. I just love this outfit, okay? But as I was saying, if you're not somebody that prefers that oversized look, I am wearing these like bell bottoms or like bootleg jeans. As you can see, they're not skinny because obviously skinny jeans are kind of out, which I'm kind of like bummed out about because I love skinny jeans, like they're so comfortable. So I understand people that still wear them, but if you love skinny jeans and you want to be like more on trend, I feel like these bootcut jeans are the perfect alternative for you. And then basically again, just to be warm, I paired it with this beautiful sweater. Obviously you can pair it with any other sweater you own, but yeah, I also paired it with my white Converse and this snakeskin bag. Obviously you can't fit all of your school supplies into these shoulder bags, so maybe like a tote bag would be better, but yeah, I just really love these bags, so I wanted to show them in this video. Okay, so this is the next outfit. This is like my favorite hack I use when I feel like I have nothing to wear. Basically, you take a mini skirt. It doesn't have to be black, it can be any color you want, just a mini skirt that fits you very well around your waist, and you go into your like family members' closets. The best is like your dad, your brother, your cousin, your boyfriend. Usually men's clothes are better because they fit us in like the oversized, you know, cute way, but it can be also your mom's or your sisters or whoever you want to. And you go into their closet, go through their sweaters, find a sweater that you really like, you put it on, tuck it into the skirt and put like a cute collared shirt under it, and there you go. You have like a perfect schoolgirl type of outfit. Actually, this sweater and this t-shirt is after my sister. This is like her school choir uniform, and I stole it for her one time when I didn't know what to wear. So yeah, if you feel like you have nothing to wear, definitely make sure to check out your family sweaters, put it on with a mini skirt, and there you go. You have a perfect outfit. This is the next outfit. Oh my god, what was that? Anyways, I am wearing this beautiful blazer. Not everybody has a blazer. I get that. I actually stole this from my mom, so there you go. You can steal a blazer from your dad. I just realized I'm like encouraging people to steal from their family members for the third time in this video. I don't mean steal necessarily, I mean borrow, you know? I just paired it with my simple Levi's and this like sweater vest. It's not really a sweater vest anymore because I altered it so much that it kind of looks like a tank top. So yeah, you can wear it with a sweater vest, a tank top, basically anything you want. This is just like a super easy outfit to recreate again because I feel like everybody has a pair of blue jeans, everybody has some kind of a top, and then if you don't have a blazer, you can just borrow one from your family member, like your mom or your dad. Anyways, I'm just pairing it with my white Converse and this shoulder bag, which again doesn't make sense because I'm doing back to school outfits. So this bag is a little bit bigger. Still probably wouldn't wear it as a school bag, but it's fine. We're gonna pretend as if it is a school bag. It's also gonna look good when it's like buttoned up. I don't know. This is again like my second favorite hack that I have. Basically, you take your favorite, or it doesn't have to be your favorite, but like, you know, either slip dress, mini dress, maxi dress, midi dress, like whatever summer dress you own, you just put it on, and then you take a sweater that kind of goes with it and a belt. You're gonna put the sweater on as you would normally do. You can obviously wear it like this, but I don't really like the silhouette of it. So what I do, I just basically take a belt, I just put it on, and then I just like kind of like tuck the fabric of the sweater as high as possible, just so that there's like a little bit of the fabric still like peeking under the belt. And then I'm just gonna like cover the belt with the sweater so that the sweater kind of looks cropped. And then just to stay warm, I'm gonna pair it with this like creamy trench and also again my bag. And there you go, you have a super simple but still cute and chic outfit. So yeah, I think it's a perfect back to school outfit. I am sweating my little ass off. This is the next outfit. I know it's kind of like, what? But I just wanted to wear this scarf because it's a huge trend. Oversized scarves have been everywhere on Pinterest, and I have this one, so I wanted to show it off. But I do think that the outfit itself looks better without the scarf. But you know, I also thought that it's practical because it's getting very chilly here. Basically, this is like a second version of this outfit that I already did. The outfit I'm wearing under this is like hideous. It's so bad, but you can't tell, can you? Because I'm covering it up with this beautiful coat. Outfit. Anyways, I paired it with my beret again to make it more like cool. But yeah, this is the outfit. Basically, it's just this coat. See, like if you don't know what to wear, just put on something very, very comfy. All you have to do is just cover it with a very nice coat and you look super good. So yeah. And this is the last outfit. Basically, vests have been super trendy, especially these like oversized ones. I personally don't own one. I again stole this from my dad. I mean, I borrowed this from my dad. I just paired it with this like beigey crew neck and my straight leg beige pants. And yeah, that is it. This is definitely not like my favorite outfit. It's also not really like my style, but it's so freaking comfortable, so warm. And I kind of feel like this is like the perfect outfit for those days where you just want to go to school in your pajamas. So yeah, that's the last outfit. Alrighty, so that was all the outfits. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am sweating to death. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because it makes me more visible, so it helps my YouTube channel to grow. So make sure to do that. Also, if you have a minute, go check out my Instagram. I post daily outfit inspo on there. Also, let me know which outfit inspo was your favorite. And last but not least, definitely don't forget to check out Emily's video. It's gonna be linked in the bio. And I'm like 100% sure that she created amazing outfit inspo for you guys. So yeah, make sure to go watch her video. And that is it. I will see you in my next video. So yeah, bye!